Have you ever struggled to run a music class with your children? Here are 5 tips on having a brilliant music class. Tip number 1, always have music that is interesting and engaging. I've been in kindergartens where I've seen teachers using music that I just wanted to yawn through. And if I'm yawning through it, the children are going to yawn through it as well, and they're not going to become engaged. So tip number 1 again, make sure your music is engaging. Tip number 2, make sure you don't have a break in between the songs or the pieces of music that you are using, because if you do, if you're looking on your iPhone or your iPad and you're trying to find the next piece of music, you are going to have children who become distracted, who will not be engaged. So have an iPod with a playlist and just go from one piece of the music to the other, and you will find that the children will stay engaged a lot better. Tip number 3, don't have just high energy songs. Many years ago when I started teaching music to children, I had high energy song and then another high energy song and then another high energy song. And after doing music for about 3 days in a row, I said to the children, come on, let's do music. And they said, we don't want to. I said, why not? They said, we get too exhausted. So I learned very quickly that you need to have different levels of music. Tip number 4, always start with a hello or welcome song. This will help the children to be engaged and ready for the rest of the lesson. Tip number 5, make sure that you end your lesson plan with a quiet piece of music or a quiet song, such as a finger play, because that way the children will be calm when they go to move to other activities. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope those 5 tips were helpful. If you have a question or you would like to comment, please do so below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.